Hello kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing chapter 20, perimeter, area and volume of class 5. So let's see. Get started. So you can see A part, find the perimeter of the following. Some figures given over here. We have to find the perimeter. I am telling you how to do it. And the same B part over here, find the area of these stems. So I am telling you how to find. So let's see. Perimeter is derived from Greek word perimetron, based on peri means around and metron means measure. So perimeter means to measure around a figure. Perimeter means measure its boundary around a figure. So the sum of the length of all the sides of a closed figure is called its perimeter. So for example, the perimeter of this figure, if one figure is given here, we have to find its perimeter means sum of all the sides. You can add all these and then the answer is 23 centimeter. And symbol for perimeter we use P. Okay, and the unit of perimeter is same as the unit of length. We are adding all. So centimeter में है तो answer is centimeter, और अगर meter में है तो answer is in meter, right? So in this chapter we shall learn to find the perimeter of some basic shapes. See, first one is perimeter of polygon like triangle, equilateral triangle, rectangle. See how. Perimeter of triangle. A triangle is three-sided closed figure. You know very well. It is a three-sided figure. So how we can find perimeter of a triangle? ABC means sum of all the sides. So AB plus BC plus CA. Now, perimeter of equilateral triangle. Equilateral means when all the sides are same. So, suppose all the sides are L, L, L. So, you know, P equals to sum of the length of the sides means AB plus BC plus CA. So, L plus L plus L equals to 3L means 3 into side. So, what is perimeter of an equilateral triangle? That is 3 into side. Now perimeter of rectangle, you know rectangle. So rectangle may we have 4 sides. The longer is said to be length and the shorter is said to be breadth. So rectangle is 4-sided closed figure in which opposite sides are equal. The longer sides are called length of the rectangle and the shorter sides are called breadth of the rectangle. So we can see AB and CD are equal, so let it be L, L, आप कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. So we are assuming L, L and AD and BC are breadth, so B and B. So now how we can find the perimeter of rectangle ABCD? अब इसकी 4 sides है तो हम 4 sides का sum करेंगे. So what we will write? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So AB और BC same है. It means L. What will we write? L plus L. L plus L plus B plus B means 2L plus 2B. So 2 common L plus B. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? That is 2 into length plus breadth equals to 2 into L plus B, right? You have to learn this formula. Understand it? ठीक है, आपको अपने आप learn हो जाएगा. Now perimeter of square. अब स्क्वायर में क्या होता है? ऑल साइड्स आर सेम. A square is 4-sided closed figure in which all sides are equal. So perimeter of a square is sum of length of the sides. So जब हम 4 sides को add करेंगे, all are same. Suppose L मान लो, A मान लो, B मान लो, whatever you want. तो सबको हमने add कर दिया, it becomes 4 into side. So perimeter of square is 4 into side. Okay. So now perimeter of irregular shape. अब कोई rectangle भी नहीं है, square भी नहीं है, triangle भी नहीं है. So how we can find the perimeter like this? This is irregular shape. तो आपने क्या करना है? What to do? आपने सारी sides को, all the sides को आपने you have to add. Like here, the perimeter of irregular shape is the sum of all the sides of the figure. Perimeter of given figure, they have taken all the sides and add all the sides. So answer is 32 centimeter. Now see example 1. Find the perimeter of equilateral triangle whose one side is 3 centimeters. So as I told you, what is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle? 3 into side. So 3 into 3, answer is 9 centimeter. Now example 2, the length and breadth of a rectangular field is 225 meter and 120 meter. Find the length of wire required to fence it. Also find the cost of fencing at ₹5 per meter. एक रेक्टेंगल गिवन है हमें, उसमें लेंथ और ब्रेथ वी नो, उसको हमें फेंसिंग करना है चारों ओर. ओके तो हमें क्या फाइंड करना पड़ेगा? पेरीमीटर. सो लेंथ ऑफ द फील्ड 225 मीटर, ब्रेथ ऑफ द फील्ड 120 मीटर. व्हाट इज द पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल? यू नो वेरी वेल, 2 into L plus B. We will substitute the values. Answer is 690 meter. Now, so total wire required to fence the field is 690 meter. यानी हमें कितनी वायर चाहिए? उसके पेरीमीटर के इक्वल 690 मीटर. अब हमें कॉस्ट फाइंड करनी है. कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग 1 मीटर. 1 मीटर में हमें फेंस करना है तो ₹5 खर्च करने हैं. सो 690 मीटर वायर के लिए हमें कितने पैसे खर्च करने पड़ेंगे? मोर. सो 690 into 5, आंसर इज ₹3,450. Okay, so 20.1 exercise based on such type of questions. You can try it. Now we are talking about area. अभी हमने पेरीमीटर की बात की थी, अराउंड द फिगर. अब हम बात कर रहे हैं एरिया की. So look at these two shapes. Both are triangle. Which figure is bigger and why? You can see which one is bigger. Well, figure B is bigger because it occupies more surface. So we can also say that figure B has more area. B का area ज़्यादा है. Okay, the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Unit of area, we measure area of a surface in square units of length. Consider a square, each of whose side is of length 1 centimeter. So we say that its area is 1 square centimeter or centimeter square. So standard unit of area is square unit. So area of 1 square is 1 centimeter square. So area of rectangle. Consider a rectangle of length 5 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. Divide the rectangle into squares, each of side 1 centimeter as shown. हमने divide कर दिया इसको 1 centimeter के squares में. So now count the number of squares. Clearly the rectangle has been divided into 15 squares, each of area 1 centimeter square. So area of rectangle ABCD is area of 15 squares means 15 centimeter square. Means 5 into 3 centimeter square. That's why how we can find area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So length into breadth square units. So the length and breadth of rectangle must be expressed in the same unit. जब भी आप rectangle का area find करेंगे, length and breadth का unit must be same. Either both are in meter or both are in centimeter. So now there is one fun given over here, some irregular shapes given here. You have to find the area of these shapes. So how? It's very easy, just count the number of squares, that is the area of each figure. Okay, now example 1, find the area of rectangle whose length is 15 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter. We know the formula. So length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 7 centimeter, both are in centimeter. कुछ भी कन्वर्ट नहीं करना है. Simply find area of rectangle, length into breadth, that is 15 into 7 square centimeter means 105 square centimeter. So area of rectangle is 105 square centimeter. Now area of a square. A square is a special rectangle with same length and breadth. Square में as I told you length और breadth same होता है. So consider a square of side as 3 centimeter each. हमने 3 सेंटीमीटर का स्क्वायर कंसीडर किया है. डिवाइड द स्क्वायर इनटू स्मॉल स्क्वायर्स ऑफ साइड 1 सेंटीमीटर. ऐसे ही हमने डिवाइड कर दिया. सो ऑन काउंटिंग स्क्वायर्स वी सी दैट द स्क्वायर इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 9. हमारे पास कितने स्क्वायर्स आएंगे? 9. ओके, सो 9 हाउ वी आर गेटिंग 9? 3 into 3. That's why it becomes side into side. So area of square is side into side square units. जैसे हम area of rectangle के लिए length into breadth करेंगे, ऐसे हम area of square के लिए क्या करेंगे? Side into side. Okay. So now example 2, find the area of a square of side 80 centimeter in square meter. They are asking in square meter. Okay, so first we will write length of the square 80 centimeter. What is area? 80 into 80, 6400 square centimeter. अब इसको हमें चेंज करना है मीटर स्क्वायर में, और 1 सेंटीमीटर में 1/100 मीटर मीन्स आप इसको किससे डिवाइड करेंगे? 100 into 100. So what will you get? You will get 0.64 square meter, right? So area of the square is 0.64 square meter. Now area of a triangle, जब हम triangle की बात करते हैं, you can see this one. If the height of a triangle is 4 centimeter and the base is 6 centimeter, base के ऊपर height हमने ली है, और height always makes a 90 degree. Okay, so what is area of triangle? That is half into base into height. So that is 6 into 4/2, 12 centimeter square. Okay, so example 3, find the area of triangle of base 8 centimeter and height 6 centimeter. Just apply the formula, half into base into height, half into 8 into 6. Area is 24 centimeter square. Now there is one figure given over here. You can enjoy this. Okay. Now exercise 20.2 based on such type of questions. So you can try it. Now worksheet is given over here. Find the volume of these cubes and cuboid by using the formula V equals to L into B into H. I am telling you about volume first. Then you can try this worksheet. See volume. हम वॉल्यूम की बात करते हैं. Volume means the amount of space occupied by an object. When we measure length, we use 1 dimension. When we measure area, we use 2 dimension. And when we measure volume, we use 3 dimension. Means length, breadth and height. Volume में हम 3 dimensions की बात करते हैं. Length, breadth and height. So we are familiar with the objects such as dice, books, boxes, pencils, balls, etc. Each of these objects occupies space. So cuboids, cube, sphere, cylinder, cones are solid shapes which occupy space and hence possess volume. तो हम volume निकालेंगे cuboid and cube का. See how? First see unit of volume. Volume के लिए हम क्या units use करते हैं? We measure volume of a solid shape in cubic units. Consider a cube of side 1 meter means length, breadth and height equals to 1 meter. We say that volume of this cube is 1 cubic meter or 1 meter cube because volume में हम 3 dimensions use कर रहे हैं. What is the unit of volume? That is 1 meter cube. So standard unit of volume is cubic unit. So volume of a cube of side 1 millimeter is 1 cubic millimeter or 1 millimeter cube. Volume of a cube of side 1 centimeter is 1 cubic centimeter or 1 centimeter cube, and volume of a cube of side 1 meter is 1 cubic meter or 1 meter cube. Volume of a cuboid. Now let us consider a cuboid of length 5 centimeter, breadth 2 centimeter and height 3 centimeter. हमने cuboid shape ले ली. Okay, then let us place cubes of 1 cubic centimeter in this cuboid in a line. अब हमने 1 cube इसमें place करना start किया. So observe that we are able to place 5 into 2 10 cubes at the bottom layer. Bottom layer पे हमने कितने cubes place कर दिए? 10. Now placing layers on top of the bottom layers, we can arrange 3 such layers as the height of the cuboid is 3. Because cuboid की height 3 है तो हम एक और layer बना सकते हैं 10 की, फिर हम एक और layer बना सकते हैं 10 की. So we can see in all 5 into 2 into 3 means 30 cubes of 1 cubic centimeter can be placed inside the box. So this implies that volume of the cuboid is 5 centimeter into 2 centimeter into 3 centimeter means 30 cubic centimeter. और यहाँ से फॉर्मूला बन गया वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड इक्वल्स टू लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ इनटू हाइट, और यू कैन राइट इन सिंबल फॉर्म V इक्वल्स टू L इनटू B इनटू H. So similarly, volume of a cube is a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are equal. Same है, इसमें क्या होता है? L, B and H are same. So what is the volume of cube? L into B into H means length into length into length. So volume equals to side cube, L into L into L. So let us take some examples to understand the concept. Example 1, find the volume of a cuboid whose dimensions are 6 cm, 4 cm and 3 cm. Means length is 6 cm, breadth is 4 cm and height is 3 cm. So what is the volume of cuboid? L into B into H? That is 72 cubic centimeter. So volume of cuboid is 72 cubic centimeter. Example 2, find the volume of cube of H 6 centimeter. So length of the cube is 6 centimeter. So what is volume of cube? 6 into 6 into 6, 216 cubic centimeter. So you can try exercise 20.3 and then you can see these MCQs like 1 square centimeter, how many square millimeter, you can do it. Second one, area of a square park is given, find the length of the park, you can try it. And the area of a rectangle is given, if the length of rectangle is 36, how we can find breadth? By dividing, okay, because area is L into B, so B is area divided by length. Similarly, fourth, volume of a cube of H 9 centimeter. So how you can find volume of cube? 9 into 9 into 9, that is B part 729 cubic centimeter. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Take care. Goodbye.